So let's start with this new application. This is Project 3, the pizza application. And let's go for the application. So, sorry, this is the home screen. And this application is purely made in Kotlin, Jetpack Compose language. So here's a card view, and this is a lazy scroll. It is much better than a recycle view in Jetpack Compose. I tried the Jetpack Compose first time in this project. Really like it. So even the designs are so good and easy to implement. Uh, so this is the card. Once we have a click on play animation and you to the ingredient screen where we have ingredients in different categories when we can select, and the crust one is a little bit tricky because we can't have like all the crust. We have to select one. So I have to do a lot of brainstorming for that, like how to implement that and all lot of stuff. So as you can select more ingredients, the price gonna change for that. And once you add to cart, your item is added to the cart, yeah. So here you can see the breakdown. You can increase the quantity here and the price will change. You can remove the whole thing if you want. Increase. And here's the button, two buttons. One is for buy and add more. If you click on add more, you can go to the home screen and add more stuff. Yeah, just adding, and when you present buy and it show you a little message. And the most tricky thing is discarding, yeah. So it show a badge with like how many items in the cart. But there's a bug because if I have like now it's like three Margaret pizza and three this, but it's showing only like two items here. So need to fix this in like future or implement like a whole thing. So let's look at the code. So it's like imports, and this is main activity class. Here's the main component which serve as a root application for that pizza app here. So here's a variable for navigation control which help in like moving one page to another here, and the state of handle dynamic titles. So this title bar is from here. Apply so here's a custom theme for the colors and everything. The front uh, so here's the front end for the home screen. Uh, not for the sorry, not for the home screen, for the this top bar. So it's like same on like all the screens. That's why. And here's a badge component. Here's badge composable, and it only show badge if there's item. If there's no item, let's remove all the items. So if I remove, sorry, if I remove all the items, the badge is gone. It's like only card now, yeah. So the top component with the navig. So for this is the top bar. If there's like no page to go back in the navigation, the this button gonna be hide when I'm on a home screen. So when there's a button to go back, it's gonna be visible again. That's how these buttons work here now. And here's the data class for the pizza items. It's all the pizza on the home screen, these things. And we use a lazy vertical grid to scroll, and this composable pizza card function is for all the individual cards here, like how the pizza gonna set, like how round it gonna be, and text, everything here. And this is the data class for the ingredients, like go to the ingredients. So it's holding all the ingredients, every data for the ingredients, and this this function to see which ingredient are selected. Like, so it's like selected or not selected, and which crust. This is very important because we need to choose. We can only like select one crust. So it says this is for a bottom bar. We show total price and a button, everything. And this is ingredient card, like individual ingredient card, how the text gonna have in, and the checkbox and price, everything. So this is for the bottom bar, but yeah. So, so we're using triple to include quantity. So it's a cart now, a cart item. So we're using triple to have like this quantity thing happening here. And so all this is like the styling and everything here for this thing. Here is the total price, it's calculating everything. This is the buttons for buy button. And when we press this button, it's like it's gonna show us text, this one. When we click, it shows this text. So here it is. And this is the custom theme colors. And this is custom theme to use this color in our project. Yeah. And this is a preview to like have a preview. So thank you for today.